Artie McYarty, here with another one. Hey folks, time to maintain our tools in the shed. Yeah, that's right, we're gonna use 3-in-1 oil, white lithium grease, and Brasso. You'll see why in a second, the Brasso, you might be asking. We're lawn warriors, folks, and warriors need to maintain their swords. Yeah, that's right. Let's get to it. In this particular situation, I chose to go with 3-in-1. Let me know what you use for your warrior-like tools. And I chose white lithium grease to oil up my edger equipment. One of them is the rotary scissor, and one of them is the straight edger for those curbs and sidewalks and the driveway, giving those crispy, beautiful edges of the lawn, as you can see behind me over there. But maintenance is extremely important. Pro tip, about every few months, 3 to 6 months I would say, that's when you should just add some more oil. But read the instructions because it will tell you every so many hours, right? Then that's when you want to oil it. So it all depends on the usage as well. So this medieval sword was made by an actual blacksmith from Canada, Dark Sword Armory. If you're interested in things like this, let me know and I'll send you a link. This one is from the 1981 movie Excalibur. As you can see, it's hardened steel, and the pommel and the handle is made out of solid brass. So I'm keeping it good, folks, keeping it good. We'll mount this back on the garage wall. Pun intended, slaying that lawn. Alright folks, camera died while I was doing everything, oddly enough. This Florida heat, let me tell you what. So I'm showing you the tool spots. You see, you just need an Allen wrench, the 2 spots that you're gonna unplug for the straight edger from Ryobi, and you're gonna take your little lithium grease wand and you're gonna spray it right in there. There's the rotary scissors. Again, we got 2 spots on the disc that you're gonna unscrew with the Allen wrench, and then you're gonna spray it in there. And then there's a 3rd spot on the rotary scissor by Stens. You see right there, that bolt with a little wrench, you're just gonna remove that bolt, stick it in there, and spray it in there. And I got a little brush. You can brush all the dirt and the grime off before you get ready to do it. I'm not using the 3-in-1 oil in this situation. I highly recommend white lithium grease. This is great for garage doors as well. Alright, see, I'm showing you the bolt, and those 2 bolts there for the disc. And then again on the straight edger. 1, 2. Let's go!